and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 66 of Legends of Ferrari F1, the die-cast 1/24 scale model collection from our good old pals DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab these for yourself and collect these along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below, and you too can have some of these in your collection. So who we got this week? We have got Ferrari F310B from 1997, driven by Eddie Irvine, folks. So that's what we've got today. So let's have a quick scoop through the magazine, and then when we're done with this, we'll get the model out and we'll have a looky-look to see what we got. Says their protagonist again. It marked the decisive return of the Ferrari team to the top of Formula One. With the new additions of Ross Brawn and Rory Byrne at the helm of the technical department and Michael Schumacher at the wheel of the successor to the F310, designed by John Barnard, the Modena team fought for the title until the very last moment. The German driver scored 5 victories and came close to winning the title that year. There you go. There's Steady Eddie himself there. Look at that. Again, it looks quite low and wide, doesn't it? And not a lot of sponsor decals on that, on the wings and stuff on the rear wing. Strange little era, this, folks. I would say the cars were quite plain, but yeah, they just had a neat look about them, didn't they? Big old walrus tooth nose there. Technical regulations required the use of grooved tyres in 1998. 4 grooves for the rear, 3 for the front. An unfortunate setback, it says there. There's Michael himself. I think is that Jacques Villeneuve? Could well be. But yeah, he's got that. Yeah, I've got my eye on you, mate. Bless him. I always remember he's running with David Coulthard. I think it was Spa-Francorchamps, where he ran into the back of Coulthard and accused him of brake testing him and frog marched down the paddock into the pit box. And it was like, yeah. It's the only time I saw Schumacher lose his composure like that. It was quite out of character for him, you know, but yeah. There's 2 rays of sunshine. There's Eddie himself there. Good drive. I liked Eddie Irvine, I must admit. Unmistakably designed crash helmet there, they say, yeah. Shamrock on the back there. Yeah. The two had a very good relationship, Schumacher and Irvine. And Irvine's never hidden his great admiration for his former teammate. Yeah, it was Jacques Villeneuve. Yeah, that's Eddie ahead of him there. Very unconventional driver, Jacques Villeneuve. I always remember he used to wear the big baggy driving suits he used to take 3 steps before the suit moved. And he's just as non-conformist nowadays. And this is Luigi Mazzola, played a valuable role for Eddie Irvine, who raced under the Prancing Horse banner between 96 and 99. Actually thought he was at Ferrari longer than that, but there you go. So give these a read, folks. There's loads of info and blurbage in there. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side and we'll bring the model in and we'll have a looky-look to see what we got, folks. And here she is in all her glory. Comes in a big old display case. Ferrari 310B, Eddie Irvine, 1997 along the side. Prancing horse in the background there, folks. So what we'll do is we'll take this out of the case and we'll have a looky-look to see what we got, folks, okay? And there she is, folks. There's the top-down view. So we'll start by having a look at the shape there. Nice long slender nose coming around the side of the driver's cockpit and sloping back out to the side pods that then abruptly square off and then square back and come down towards the rear wing. Quite a wider rear wing there. No sponsorship. Weird. Quite open suspension there on the rear end. And then you got the wider front wing there with the sponsors and that on the suspension. And then you got some barge bolts between the suspension there and the steering rack. And then some barge boards along the front there. But quite minimalist during this era. There's the side shot there. You got the raised nose at the front there. End plates there. On the front wing, you got your Goodyear wheels there. Gold against the black. I always do like that. There you can see the barge board on the side. Sponsorships just along the back there of the side pods. And then that's going up underneath the floor there. And then you got the rear wing. I'll straighten that out later. Slightly bent in transit, but no biggie. That can be rectified. Coming round the back there, you got your diffuser there poking up. Coming up through here as well. Would that be classed as the blown diffuser era? Sarah Jane will let me know. That's the good old money shot there where Eddie's in front of you. You then got the Jaws shot there, looming up behind you, coming towards you. And then inside the cockpit there, you've got very minimal side protection with the raised areas that they have now. But you've got the padding inside that came about due to the tragic death of Ayrton and Roland Ratzenberger. Seat harness sat inside there. You got your PlayStation steering wheel there with all the buttons and LED displays. Flappy paddle gearbox, no gear lever on these. And again, you got your beginnings of your white panel there. You got Irvine's name sat under the Ferrari badge. Very, very minimalist, pre-Halo era as well, folks. And then underneath, you've got the flat floor there with the plank and everything underneath. And you can see there with the diffuser and everything, how it was all sculpted and shaped. Quite large air intakes there for the radiators compared to the modern cars that have got a very skinny look about them. All in all, though, again, another really sexy looking car there. You got your brake ducts and all of that going on underneath there. But yeah, is it me? Does it look a bit of a cleaner iteration of the regulations there? But yeah, it's got a look about it, hasn't it, folks? So that's Steady Eddie there in his Ferrari. I'll just put this down on the mat, like so. And that, folks, is the Ferrari F310B from 1997, driven by the great Eddie Irvine. So if you'd like to add these to your collection, folks, and collect these along with me, head over to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have these on your bench. Also, to help me out, if you can remember to like, hype, share and subscribe. Really helps push the video out there. Keeps the channel alive, folks. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.